In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to watch NHL playoff games on NHL.tv. Let's get started. First, open a device browser or NHL app and sign in with your NHL account. Once you are logged in, go to the NHL.tv and NHL streaming section. From there, you'll need to make sure you have an active subscription that includes live out-of-market NHL games, because playoff coverage may be subject to regional restrictions depending on broadcasting rights in your country. After that, browse the available live game section. Select matchups will be listed with live streams, highlights, and replay option. Simply click on the game you want to watch and it will start streaming instantly if it's available in your region. Keep in mind that NHL playoff games are often split across different broadcasters, so not every game may be available directly to NHL.tv in every country. In some regions, you may also need to access to additional services like ESPN or TNT coverage through a TV provider or streaming platform. If you're traveling, you can still use your NHL TV account, but availability may change based on the current location due to broadcasting restrictions. Always make sure your subscription is active and your app is updated to avoid playback issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.